Okay, super quick intro because I realised that I didn't add an intro to this video. We're basically doing 2 Halloween looks today. Super cute ones. They're just like my 2 Halloween looks I'm doing this year, and they're meant to be cute, meant to be sexy, meant to be worn at like a house party or a club. And one is like a bought costume and the other is like a super quick made one. Let's go. Very first thing we have to do, it's like 8:30 in the morning and I'm on my way to my nail appointment. I get biab gels and these are 4 weeks grown out, and usually I go for 3, so they definitely need it. We did go for the classic burgundy, but I don't think that's going to go with today's Halloween look, so I want something that's going to match both. This is the hair all up and pinned, and these are the nails. They are literally biab and then a chrome pearl on top of them, and a bit shorter. Super cute, versatile, definitely perfect and much cleaner looking. I actually want my hair to drop a little bit and not be such tight curls, so I'm going to take them out now they've all cooled. Usually I would like to leave these for a couple hours, really set them in place, but I want these to be like looser-ish bouncy curls. Oh my gosh, I hate it. Look at this. Let's brush this out. So I'm using a wide tooth comb. That's insane. Look at this, like this is definitely not what we want. Okay, let's get that hair out of the face and let's just give it time to like settle, because what the actual is this, like, if I'm not even joking. First Halloween look we're going for is really easy. It's a bought costume with the simplest of makeup looks ever. Very like minimal in steps. We're doing Barbie. Margot Robbie's Barbie, so the new Barbie film that came out last year. I actually bought her costume on Voucher, which was such a weird site, but you can buy it from really anywhere. And this was like £20, I think, so very affordable. So we're all dressing up for work this year, and this is just going to be a go-to for me because it's appropriate, first of all, and it's super simple in the morning. Usually I would do cream bronzer, but I'm not doing that today. I want to look a bit more, I don't know, like flatter. So we're just going to go straight to the baking. I would want glowy, but it very much seems like Margot Robbie has gone for like a matte look. So I guess that's what we're doing. There we go, the most matte base I've ever done. Now we can go on to the blush, because I feel like she just has, like, Barbie just should have a lot of blush. Going right on the apples. She also seems to have it quite low down, so just like drag it. That's so weird. She also has really dark eyebrows, even though she's blonde, which is great because that's what I have. For lips, we're obviously going to do this pink shade. This one is Urban Decay in Weird Eye, is that what it's called? That's a weird name. And a very light mascara, so I'm just going to go with Maybelline and just like not curl them or anything. Just so there's something on them. This was such a fast makeup look. I've literally done my makeup for 10 minutes. Set that all in. I've added a little bit of water to like speed up the drop process, but Margot's hair is a lot longer and just like more framed, like curled around the bangs. So yeah, this is a way better look if your hair has like lost its volume a little bit. But we're gonna add the accessories. So we have the neck scarf. Already I can see it. Oh no, I don't think mine's long enough. Hers is so long. Hers is so long, mine's not. Oh, that looks like I'm a flight attendant. Why does that not look as long? My thinking is tie one to the other and it makes it look like one long one. After what feels like years of trying to perfect this scarf, I've just come to the realization I'm not going to. So we're leaving it like this. The next thing I have these earrings, which are these silver stars, and they're so funny because I just don't wear silver and I haven't in years, but Barbie is silver, so And then also we have the top and the trousers. So this is the top. And then I have a hat as well, so I'm gonna go put them on. Oh, and the boots, and then I'll show you the finished thing. Oh my god. Look how cute. This was £20, and then obviously the accessories. I got the hat and the boots, look at the boots, and the earrings, and the neck scarf, all from Shein, and then this was from Woucher, but oh my gosh. I'm obsessed, and my boyfriend actually has the Ken outfit, which is so cute. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. So that is the Barbie look, all complete. So there you go, if you want a really, really quick outfit, Barbie is the one. Okay, so the next look is literally a clown, and you can do this so fast from this look right now. We're gonna do pigtails, and you could do really, really tight curls with this, which I think would look really cute. But I'm just trying to do like a really fast look. Switch to some red lipstick. Cute. The outfit is a white corset and a white tutu. So I'm gonna go get changed into this. How freaking cute is this outfit? Ready? Stop it. Stop it. And before you say anything, I have shorts on underneath. I've just kept the same shoes on, but obviously you can switch them up. And then accessories. Oh, I could die. So this is like a ballerina, or you could do a clown. I'm gonna take the red lipstick. I don't know, should I do a smile? I don't want to mess it up.
Bill, if you'll come with me, you'll float too. You'll float too. You'll float too.
And those are the two looks. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They're so darn cute, like actually adorable. And I feel so good in them. And you can't say anything about them not being scary or Halloween or whatever, and no effort, because that's the point. Hope you did enjoy. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe and join our family. Follow me on TikTok, where you'll see the cool TikToks I made today. Okay? Love you. Bye.